we go. At 6 in the damn morning.
Don't warn me when you video.
Okay, I'm videoing. It's for my vlog.
Putting that out there, like, out of nowhere. I'm like, oh, hi.
I'm in LAX. I'm so dead right now. I don't even know. Okay. It looks so much brighter than it is. It's really not.
It's warm though.
Find Mom now. Hi!
Hello! You've got bangs again.
I got bangs again. Hi! I see a Molly! I see a Molly! I see a Molly!
Hello, Julie.
Hi.
I can't hug you. I'm all sweaty, but I'll hug you later. How you doing, sweetie?
This was quite a greeting. Come here. Come here. Do you remember me?
Molly, what are you doing?
Look at the friend.
Go outside again.
I doubt it.
She can go make friends with the frog. Evil cat, evil cat, does whatever an evil cat does. Arm outstretched, ready to punch someone. Evil cat, evil. Go. He hates it.
He spin it and set it on his head. He's gonna pretend.
Snapchat my face.
The same thing. I was like, yeah, she's the sister of the good
Apple Watch is out.
Yeah.
You guys need to do it side by side.
Yeah.
Wait, what do we do?
We're slipping right here.
Okay. Timing's a little off, but.
Ow!
Hi, Molly. Hi, Yankee. Molly girl. Hi, Molly girl. Hi, Molly girl. Right back in. Nope, none of that for me, thanks. I had to dress up for all of them. Here's from Caleb. Do you have any comments?
I don't have any comments.
Why?
They look good.
Why are your feet in my shoes?
my shoes now.
First he was like sniffing them, and then he went over and just laid on them and put his feet in them.
Putting his feet in them was funny.
Is it because I said you were on my list and now you're gonna try to take my
Oh,
shoes?
these are my shoes now.
His other paw is through the
No, it's hysterical. I know, it's because I made a mistake on the first thing.
Ink has my shoes on.
Ink had his paw.
Okay, here we are. Ariel looks different today.
Yeah.
We're here with Cody. Trying to get a sign of the entrance. We got hats. My brother and I got matching hats. And now we're looking at Boyd's.
Now we're looking at.
Look at the Boyd's. Those are some cute Boyd's.
Yeah, that one's head back.
We have an hour. Why don't we just walk around and see what there is? And then we'll make it to Everest at some point. So I want to look at aminals. Hi, Boyd's. They're like, no one ever looks at us because we're just birds. I don't think this park is very big, so.
I don't think so either. Just looking at the map.
Yeah, so I'm not worried about walking around. More Boyd's. Hi, Boyd's.
I haven't seen anything other than the boy.
I know, what's this?
It's a sign.
Yes. An anteater. Where he be at?
Where is it, man?
Where he be at?
About this place you go to. You see it eating at the moment. Yeah. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Probably this anteater clearly does not hurry.
It's weird because it's like a theme park, but it's a zoo.
I know.
Very confused. There's a lot happening. Anteater's hiding. He doesn't want us to
That
see
animal
him.
died.
Animal's dead. There's Tree of Life. Very cool. Tree of life. Heading into Pandora, supposedly. See if we can get in.
We gotta go grab it.
Look, there's floating mountains. I'm trying to do two things at once. It's pretty cool. Wow, it's so cool. It's really amazing in person. Cool.
There's the ride.
Yeah, we'll come back and do that. Yeah, we did that.
Sorry.
I was not prepared.
I can tell.
There was a lot of screaming happening. Oh, my stomach is like, what did you just do?
What was that?
Okay, so we went on Everest, didn't film it, too scared. Then we went on It's Tough to Be Bug, couldn't film it, too dark. Now we're going
gonna
on
meet-
Flight of Passage, which you definitely can't film. But we're maybe gonna meet Pocahontas right now, I don't know. So,
But you can.
which you can film. So, that's what you missed. I'm so excited. Going on Flight of Passage. I know. I've gotten very used to that with my thing. So pretty. I know it's all fake, but like, it's so pretty.
Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number. You're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done.
You're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't.
I'm a kitty cat.
Starting recalibration tests. Move around a little.
Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got it. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in.
Okay, so thoughts.
That was great.
That was amazing.
I had a lot of fun. It's
Amazing.
I think I haven't seen everything, but I'd say that's going to be the coolest part of
Oh yeah.
the whole thing.
Easily the best ride Disney's ever done. That was incredible. And I get sick really easily, and it honestly wasn't that bad.
I know. Both the rides we've been on, I'd say like two of the most fun rides I've been on, if not the two most fun.
Yeah, it was just, it's really like you're flying. Like you have to do it. It's so, God, that was so cool. Two.
Route 17, Route 17.
Do we have to? Do we have to go on Route 17? Is there an option?
We're walking on the spinny platform. Won't get on Route 17. Maybe we won't get on Route 17. Oh, we're getting on Route 17.
Watch your step, guys. Go all the way to the other side of the ramp for me, please. We need to fill all the available space.
You get to sit.
Fill all that available space for me, guys.
Be on my left. Be on my left.
Okay, I can do that.
I don't know why. It's just important to me.
Alright, now that you're seated, start putting on those seat belts, guys, please.
Okay.
Make sure they're nice and tight across your body as well. Alright, perfect. One final tug from everybody on that loose end of the strap. One final tug from everyone on that loose end of the strap. Every tug, 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 tug.
Will get wet and possibly soaked. To help expedite your journey, please keep up with the visitors in front of you. For your safety and boarding your raft, please buckle your seatbelt first. Also, please remember that your shoes must be worn at all times. Thank you for choosing Colorado Rapids Expeditions, and we hope that your journey through a world that is truly worth saving.
It smells.
You guys ever been on it?
I haven't.
It's not that bad.
Really?
Height-wise, no.
No, we're gonna get soaked.
You're going to be fine.
You're gonna be fine. You're just gonna be.
It's going to be wet.
Pero mis zapatos tienen hoyos aquí.
Just said the down part of the up.
Oh God.
It's pretty high.
Stop! Why are you making it worse?
No, I don't think it's going to be like... That's how they make you go. However, this isn't down. It's down. I'm guessing it's going to be only up. Or like spin. Is this a handle or a spin?
A handle. Please don't spin me.
Ready to get wet.
Should have run.
Just keep your feet up.
What?
Just keep your feet up, like on that or on this. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Those shallows dry. Normally they have like those thing in the middle where you're like,
Excited or something?
No, I'm not excited at all.
You wanted this?
I don't know why, now that we're doing it.
I know.
You didn't know there was going to be up and down. At least I'm not going back to it.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Okay, so I'm going to stick there.
I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
You'll get wet. I was like, surely the thing will go down before we go under it. It did. I know. I'd be thrilled if this was a water park and I wasn't.
We're gonna get wet, son. We're gonna get wet. Creo que es en este o en el de, ¿cómo se llama?
I don't know anymore. I'm pretty wet.
We're gonna change it.
Like we're white water.
Oh, you guys did it pretty good,
We didn't think through this.
No, I'm cold now.
You came on this ride to get cold.
Is it like your whole bag?
The first geyser got me.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Why do I have to go back to again? Damn it, we're getting okay, you're right. Where's the jump? You were right about the whole thing where you
I was right about everything.
It was your idea to come on the ride. Oh, no, you're turning right into it. What's that?
Creo que en este las personas pueden agarrar pistolas y dispararte, ¿no?
Oye, no, Alessandra no está por ahí, ¿no, verdad?
Are we done? Remember that other shirt I bought just in the locker? Why are we putting that on?
Remember that other shirt I bought?
No.
Me neither.
We're gonna buy you another shirt. I'm shivering.
How are you this close?
Nice and bubble.
Oh, we're gonna get stuck. We get to be stuck
Oh no! No!
under the water. Damn it.
The elephants betrayed me.
We're stuck.
The elephants betrayed me.
Yo me salvé.
I'm so proud. You're so. It's not that bad, you said.
When did I say wasn't? Oh, okay. I thought
They got soaked.
it was that first guy.
First geyser.
No, it was
It was
right
the
behind
first
me.
one.
I was like, it'll go down before we get there. And so on the side where it says you will get wet, you may get soaked, we were under the soaked.
You were the may get soaked
We were
portion.
in the make to get soaked part of it.
I can't even tell if my feet are wet because everything's wet.
I don't think my feet are wet. I think keeping them up is a good idea. The only thing I need is shorts. Other than that, I'm fine. Like, I can go with some.
There's a restroom right next to the locker room, so we'll just go change.
We've had better ideas.
He's so unimpressed.
I know.
It's like whatever. Oh my god. Hi baby. Hi babe.
What are you two doing?
It's us.
Had a white rhino nuzzle my truck once. We're just holding right now because there's a zebra that's decided to plop itself in the middle of the road.
As it does. They're just doing their own thing today.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, they do this every day.
The world is about me and you're just in it.
Nope.
Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah, they're pretty. Here we are in new outfits.
New outfits. Non-soaked outfits. I mean, I have the same shorts.
True. That's a cute shirt though.
I like the shirt.
Yeah,
Glad I
you
got
did
it.
good with that shirt. Mine says I conquered Everest and now I'm being forced to go on it again.
I didn't force it. He volunteered.
So, if I die, it was his fault.
Both gonna do that at 5. I just stick my card back in my wallet.
But that's why it's magical.
Right here.
It's a video, it doesn't matter.
Hi.